So we're in 12.3 Objective 3. We were going through a couple examples. I did the first two already in the previous video. I'm going to do the bottom two in another video. So again, first of all, try to identify the same, write them both as the same base. Simplify the exponents. Set your exponents equal to each other and then solve. Okay, so we're going to go down to C because we've done the other two in the previous video. So 81 and 27. There we go. Okay. They're both 3 raised up to a power. Looks like I got some chocolate on there, so. Okay, so they're both 3 raised up to a power. So I'm going to rewrite this one as 3 to the 4th. There we go. Okay. And then instead of 27, I'm going to put 3 cubed. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and multiply the 4 and the p together. Okay, so now I want to set my exponents equal to each other as long as these are the same base. And then solve from there. I get, divide both sides by 4 and I get 3/4. Okay, so there's that one. Now let's look at this next one. Okay, again, I got chocolate on here. I'm sorry about that, but I got hungry. So, okay, so let's look at this next one. This is probably the hardest one on the sheet. There's a little bit harder ones in the homework, but I'm going to do videos for a few of those next. Okay, so if I look at 6 and 216, both of these are basically well, this is definitely a base of 6. 216, let's look at a little bit more because we have 1 over 216. We know that 6 cubed is 216. But this is on the denominator, so you have to look at it a little bit differently. 6 to the negative 3 is 1 over 216, or 1 over 6 cubed, which is 1 over 216. So I'm going to keep this part the same. But on the right-hand side, instead of writing this, I'm going to write this. That way I can tell that they have the same, they have the same base. So again, instead of 1 over 216, I'll write 6 to the negative 3rd. So that way these have the same base. So now I set my exponents equal to each other. And I'm actually done for this one. Okay, so that's it for this one. Again, I'm going to do a couple more videos from the homework because they're quite a bit harder than the ones on the sheet.